everyone! For today's video, we will talk about changing and putting nozzle on your CO2 and TIG welding machine. There's many reasons why you need to replace the nozzle of your machine. To know more, please keep on watching!
KDG Tools only give you the best materials for your welding needs. We offer locally made and imported products to meet your standards. Here's the representation on how to carefully assemble the nozzle on your torch.
All welding accessories from clamps to the tips are available here in our shop in Carmona, Cavite. At kung ikaw ay naghahanap ng iba't ibang welding machine, meron yan dito sa KDG Tools. Again, I'm Pauline from KDG Tools and Equipment. See you in our next video!